This is Matrix Lord 212 for another episode of the snack lesson. So today we got Utz Party Mix. I'm gonna try it, see what's going on in here. First off, this is good. What are these things? Let's see. I don't know what these are, but corn chips, I think. No, this is corn chip, I think. Or is that tortilla chip? Can't tell. Barbecue, nachos, pretzel wheels. I don't know what that is. There's pretzel. All right. I'm enjoying this. This is good. It's a variety. So, oh, here's the corn chip. I'm sorry. I'm getting them all wrong. Where'd it go? I'm trying to get them all out of here, but... Oh, okay. Here we go. That's the corn chip. This is the barbecue. Okay. This is really good. Why didn't I get this before? I'm enjoying this. Nachos, corn chips, tortilla chips, crunchies, pretzel wheels. Excellent. I love it. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye for now.